misbehaving until he left. Now he has gotten a new people that are trying to also make a name for themselves. And he's fooling himself. He has forgotten. He once put the towel inside. And that's what they say in the my God, who began it, he will accomplish. You must serve God. You must rebel today because of foolishness and the way God is exposing you. You sit there and say, Yanko, sorry, once a month. We can go to the club Monday to Friday to Sunday. And you cool. Yes. All kope humeduania ebema okrane tinimuno amen. Na honam na nyemu ahoden wo de ayendwuma nyame de ahye ne nsa. Na wanya sonfa so de ahye nebusua no. Esanse adwene pani witrim. Na obone a wususuma Ghana ebu aka osimunti. Wo se afedie yenko asore once a month. God is watching all of you. Mo kai tamwa okogunsa ewo Independence Square tamwa Ghana for so okay afedie mo nko ka de mu hia is okay, we allow you to do demonstrations. Some okay kofa bombe mienu kwame nkroma de and we invoke the spirit, we invoke and ofui ugunsa ewo Independence Square and akatechie Jimmy a free fa kwasia no so ba say obi amfa ne nsantu na pampem na obi ade ne nsantu na pampem. Me face the country, me face the country. Se me fa de we hu kwajiska, se me fa sa de we hu kwajiska. Group nengu o kan Adam se Awurade me dance yo egu. Because yan chance ya kura na obi mu agigi mu cars. Ya koji first cash, ya ma Avram, e ma na ba bonti ya beka se sa de no ma ye bi. A+ di bia ye, ya ma wo so mfa ye me boa. And then face the country for you see him. Because say your mouth kwan say kokandia ehia na ukoko gina simpie so say open constitutional overthrow nyansani bia no can face the country from that day knew that those people have lost their bearings. They just want to be relevant. And maybe by a boy be sorry ya na from face the country. That is all. No mo fan omufo mudin she Ghana history mu keke. Into ukoko nya accident because of surface the country need we are. We wunkwasi ewu wo yo ba na kwajeja ho e me ye kopem wa ya pem nkwasi apem. We listen to these fake guys on social media, fake newscasters, people who would always twist news to make it look bad on Ghana, to deceive us. Now they thought they were planting a seed to destroy the land that God gave to Nana Addo Gymifuo and Bawumia to govern. Now no one name say because me can ha Sister Cynthia would you obedi my dance here, Sister Diana, Dr. Drew mu ha obedi my dance here me bompa ye say. One year omojine bone de ma Ghana ni na sa bone na be bon so. One mo pe confusion na be din kensi wo mu fie SC 1 week kura ndu ana omu kokun obi to omu party office e wo Kumase. Samo kaya dia esi edun ketie gya ne gala bia ho no akwa hye sa fugu mu kankan we say o de kwa akoye secretary afa na tuo ba ya wudwane some say mo de mo no you are born out of badness. Now one can just say and uni bibi o so je kumei ade ya me ya when this for no bi mo say wo ade ya ne nya kura na obi anim say enye na nka we di anka ombe sorry atia no ase omo ye proud say ye ka so omo no omo ya ade a enye na make like please can you imagine obi ya ade na enye na esanka ye nani down they rather take it say oh yeah oh na say ye de can say no shame hey oh ye ni na ya buru pepe na so omo ko IMF yes ye ko IMF oh yeah oh that thing we go somebody come and eat some na mo de mo MPP4 NDC has never won an election. We always lose election to them. MPP4. Oh, henebane de ane papa tiasi yo. Sa ni me de panti. Mo de mo ma yemfa nyagro. Na nkrofo mfa fire call mo. No mo ko se Sam George no mo be education minister na wa be fili. Why? Yan kofi fo kuja to abrokwanom. Emra be foreign minister. Na shesa wo ukuro mufo na omukuro kuresi even so mbenya adwuma ya Ghana Anam we afi. President Gymifuo ba na on sise obi a. MPP fu enda mu we afi ne ye ba ye pamomo. Mu we afi meboa. John Mahama, come and take your stone, even though it is a foolish stone. Take it. Because truly, my countrymen Ghana and my country people Ghana have decided that because of politics, they are not going to reason. You people sow a seed of chaos from when you lost an election. You lost election for the second time. You dragged the whole nation to court. You couldn't prove a thing. When that backfired, you guys did all the... Just look at what you people did. Near markets, near banks. Look at all the electric posts near chem. Just because material both time be Pentecost for elder be our no so why you ran the bearing. Not no a kebu kakra and also a pursue the chairman. One another for so a contesting. I be catch room say a kufado. We will make your government ungovernable. Na anti-sisi bani yure fi se ne maame so ton ade e wodwom ho ntinne o sabe ye ko shike ya market ya NDC fo ne ma be hye MPP fo ne ma be hye ofui party fo ayusu de aye adwuma wakotie kwase Taylor e de ekodi kwase asem o maame de tirabo no na de ne tam kra de Ghana sika no wo kra na omutu am se ne na sika ni ho da be ne ye be compensate you enso anya hwe kra no na o maame ko ba o. We sit down and we allow people to come on social media to lie. Now, catch them say party way. Ye nya John Mahama na catch ye plane say one no there. Ye de sebe basa and try ye fruma. And this for you people should let the MPP know that we were born out of violence. Yeah. Saka basa. And ye try ye fruma. Yen na ye Gymifuo mu nimi a ye me Mahama no kura me gira no me ne Gymi kakra ba me na agesa me boa ampa so oboa no Gymi sebe anakwase na wonimi a obi a wo wakwachi Chinese ni wachi Ghana ni youth organizer na mo madwene da ho Ghana fo and you people still put on red sa abayikales no red white just say you just don't understand these people. Free education, they don't want it. Free healthcare, they don't fucking want it. Drone, they don't want it. You see, the drone, and my God, like, Ghana is a joke sometimes, yo. To be honest with you, sometimes you just see the thought process of some of the people in the country and you be like, na nye way na wako school, no. Na nye way ni esi anko ni mnyansa, no. Na nye way... Because when you look, it is bogus. Hey, news here, the difference between commentary from the Accra Sports Stadium and news. Hey, only one for the Nabe Jaumwa, no Makofa Captain Jimmy Nabe now. Ojai, hear me say, the Cramwano, damaging. My bottom, yo, and I know the anymore. Say, almost you make a cook baby no uncle try you. I got your fan so I fed the Pentecost elder say I saw the crying con 1 month. Don't say so we be say, eh? So we are winners and Ipia woman pontiache, woman marching. What ye Americano? When you pretend to be too wise, your wiseness gives you out for people to know say you are a fool. O pesa wo dada Ghana for mani bia ene meme ni bia sebe ye de sani ye kanu Christo suma ye denti no na wa confeto wuro fita no de agunukom me chiri obo tambi anapabofue